My research at ELSI has been focused on studying membraneless droplets formed through liquid-liquid phase separation as protocell models. The first system we studied are DNA liquid crystal coacervates, which form when short DNA duplexes combine with long polylysine peptides, which are cationic. These droplets that are formed have their structures modulated through changes in heat and salinity. Some of these studies have been published in the last year in ACS Nano and Crystals. The other major system we're studying are polyester microdroplets, which are formed when polyesters are synthesized through drying of alpha hydroxy acid mixtures. These microdroplets can segregate various biomolecules such as proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids. Some of these studies have also been published in the last 2 years in PNAS, Life, and Biomacromolecules. I would like to thank all of my funding sources and my collaborators for these projects. Thank you very much. Have a good day.